Hey, in less than 3 minutes, I'm going to tell you how I was lucky enough to receive over $600 in free flower seeds. Hang on. Hey, Allison, I got a surprise. Hey, it's Logan from Free Flower Farm, and earlier this week, I stopped by my local garden store to pick up some fertilizer for our lawn. The owner said, "Hey, aren't you the guy that's been giving away free flowers?" I said, "Yeah, my family and I, we give away free cut flowers and people donate vases." So I followed him around back into the warehouse, and we walked past pallets and pallets of dirt and fertilizer, and we came to this mysterious closet in the back of the warehouse. He said, "Take a look here." I was a little nervous. He opened the doors up. What to my wondering eyes did appear a large Burpees display rack full of seeds. He said, "I wasn't able to get rid of these, so you're welcome to have whatever you would like." So I said, "Thanks." He said, "Come back anytime." So I'd already bought a couple thousand seeds from Johnny's. And so I was like, "Well, thank you. I didn't want to take advantage of it." But I ran out of seeds. That big flower bed I just dug, it was a little big, and it sucked up tons and tons of our seeds. So I went back to the store today. He said, "You're here for the seeds?" I said, "Yes, sir." And so we went back to the closet, and let me just say, super thankful to have gotten over $600 worth of seeds for free. He said, "Hey, you're helping out around town. I want to help you out. These seeds are not just for me and my family. They're for our entire community. Every packet of seed means more blooms on doorsteps, more smiles, and more habitat for all of the friendly pollinators." So I just want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Mr. George at our local farm and garden store. Out of all these seeds, which ones would you plant first? Leave a comment, and of course subscribe if you want more of our Free Flower Farm adventures. If you want to see that really big flower bed that I just dug, check out this video.